So any website, to make the website, our email account will be create, our website uploading and backups, total control by the cpanel. Any customer person to understanding by the only for three categories: email account creation, free website building, and to upload the data and download the website data. So that is called, we can log in by the cpanel. So that is called, we can enter by the domain along with the domain extension. The extension will be called syntax mydomain.com/cpanel. Enter your login and password. Click for login. Digital marketing person to access only for three options for startup. SEO time they using to 5 to 6 options. They're based on the site. Moreover, the customer person to understanding by cpan only for 5 options. Total SEO wise and website wise. First of all, file manager. To website controlled by data and uploading and downloading. Second one is called your domain. The option call is redirect. Any kind of extension will be create purpose. And third one, create by email account. Create by the email account. Fourth one, very important, is called to activate SSL certificate. To activate SSL certificate on particular website. That is called security. And last, fifth one, to make a site using sitepad builders. Here total we can providing for 300 themes. How many themes? Totally 300 themes. The themes depend on the category. What is mean by category? Real estate, restaurant, blogger, any kind of options coming to your category. How to select your themes? See that I will show the different themes. First one, business themes. Second one, travel. Other nothing but common, universal. Photography. So you are into wild photographer. Select by this theme. These are your wild photography purpose. About your option. Simple option is called activate. Next one, real estate. And click for more. Health, restaurant, event site, portfolio, blog. Suppose you can create by any personal site. Click for personal. First nothing but you are the developer, you are the trainer, you are the entrepreneur, you are the actor, you are the author, you are the writer. Any kind of coming to personal. This will be it. And consulting. Suppose you are into US consultant or UK consultant to study abroad, coming to consulting. Are you into your customer consulting or any kind of things? Web design, you are in the web designer, everything coming to web design. Technology, you build any kind of technologies. Education, you are build any education websites like institutions, any kind of education. Coming to e-commerce like Flipkart, Amazon, Snapdeal related. Vegetables purpose, wines, giftery, and fashion bazaar, e-world, cool store, luxury gold, sprint, and C. Next one, profile, classical, entertainment, music, hosting site. Suppose you are providing any hosting website, web hosting provider, software, sports, coming soon, nature, flowers, pizza, lawyer. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, and 29. Total how many categories? 29 categories. So to make the site, this is only accessed by your cpanel. And any developer to create a website, they're using two options, HTML and WordPress. WordPress using by the script, which using for they're making for offline, upload by the online, using for cpanel file manager option. So this is called to control your total website using cpanel option. The main purpose, store the files and email account creation, to activate SSL, and using for domain authority. Fifth one, to create the website using for themes. This totally we can give access by your particular cpanel.